Zoe Rihanna Fenty, born in the Saint-Michel, Barbados on February 18, 1988. I know is Rihanna is Barbados singer, businesswoman, fashion designer, actress, diplomat, writer, and dancer.
Barbados is one of the 13 countries that make up Insular America, the Antilles, or the Caribbean islands. Its capital and most populous city are Bridgeton, located in the Lesser Antilles. It is the easternmost of the islands, being east of Saint Lucia and Saint Vincent and the Grenadines. Generally pop, it was in the 60s that the chains was kicked off. While in the United States, Elvis Presley lived his moment of glory. Rock and roll arrives in England and begins to acquire nuances of other styles. In this way, Liverpool can be considered to be the birthplace of pop music.
Umbrella. In Spanish, Sombrilla. It's a song interpreted by the Barbarian rhythm and blues singer Rihanna, with the collaboration of the American rapper Jay-Z. The song was written by Kirk, Harold, Jay-Z, Dale Dream, and Christopher Stewart. Produced by the latter two, it was originally offered to Britney Spears, but her representatives turned it down. It was released as the first single from Rihanna's third studio album, Good Girl Gone Bad, to 2007. The song was released worldwide on March 8, 2007, and since its release, Umbrella has been covered by artists from various parts of the world and was become a hit in pop culture. The single has sold more than 10 million copies worldwide, becoming one of the best-selling songs of the 2000s, according to Nielsen SoundScan. A $4.8 million downloads were made in the United States as of August 2012. The critics gave positive comments on the song, appreciating the airline of the single. It is widely regarded as Rihanna's flagship song and achieved great commercial success, topping the charts in Australia, Canada, Germany, Spain, France, Ireland, Sweden, Switzerland, the United Kingdom, and the United States, reaching the top 10 in many those countries. In the UK, it is considered an unique song and was one of the most listened to songs on radio in the 2000s. It remained at number one of the UK singles chart for the consecutive weeks, the longest streak at number one for any single from that decade. In addition to big huge success around the world and having a positive reception from critics, the song reached number 3 of the best song of 2007, according to Rolling Stone magazine. Rihanna sang Umbrella at the 2007 MTV Movies Award and was the closing song of the tour. The Good Girl Gone Bad tour and the Last Girl on Earth tour. The music video includes part in which Rihanna appears covered in silver paint. In 2008, Umbrella won a Grammy Awards in the category of the Best Rap Song Collaboration. It was also nominated for Song of the Year and Record of the Year.
Rihanna sang "Umbrella" and all 2007 MTV Music Awards, and was close show el tour El Got Gear Gone Bad. Tour El Gear of Air on Tour. El music videos included parts in which Rihanna appears, covered and sang by. In 2008, Umbrella won a Grammy Award in category of Best Rap Song Collaborations. It was also nominated for Song of the Year and Record of the Year. In addition, also won several awards and nominations of Rihanna in 2008. Umbrella won a Grammy Award of Best Rap Collaboration in all received nominations of Record of the Year and Song of the Year.